Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video we're going to try out this anamorphic lens on my phone. So let's look at the footages. So this is the Soligor 1.33x Anamorphic lens. Normally it's not really meant for mounting on your phone. However, I was able to do it with a step down ring from 52mm to 37 with a special clamp with a 37 thread. So I could actually mount this onto my phone. But this anamorphic lens is actually quite interesting because it's actually works really well on my phone. The quality is not that bad. It's actually not really getting me really unsharp footages. I was actually getting really quite high details. However, on the side you can see where it squeezes, it loses slight detail, but still it actually adds to the look of the shots. The only thing is you don't really get that shallow depth of field which you normally get with other anamorphic lenses on a professional camera, but because you're using it on a phone anyways and you are getting a pretty extreme wide angle shot with it. But also with very close up shots you do get like a depth of field, but the bokeh is not really that oval look that you normally see in professional anamorphic lenses, but you get like a more like a horizontal oval instead of a vertical oval in some of the shots. But you also don't really get that breathing look when you are rec focusing. But still, if I would have to say, it doesn't really add much to your shots than giving you a much more wider field of view. And also it does add some lens flare. However, it only comes in like certain light fall in a certain angle. So it's not like every shot you get extreme lens flare, but you still need to angle your lens in a certain particular way to achieve those lens flares. So do I really recommend adding or using an anamorphic lens on your phone? Personally, I don't see the actual added value to it. It doesn't really add so much to the footage that it does look more cinematic or filmic or like more professional using this lens. But yeah, it still is a kind of gimmicky. It does add to the look that it doesn't look as sharp as like your normal phone. It does have a slight certain extra look to it. Maybe for certain people it does look more cinematic or like much nicer than your normal footage from your phone. But personally for me it adds just a slight value. I don't feel like you purposely have to track down such a lens to do it. There is of course like lenses from Moment, and there are also other brands selling anamorphic lenses, and pretty much the detail is about the same. However, I do feel like the sharpness is much better on this than the Moment lenses and other lenses. But this is also much bigger in size and much larger piece of glass, and yeah, it's also not really meant for such a small sensor. But I have to say, personally, yeah, I would actually going to see if mounting this on other cameras is going to result into something more interesting. So next time I'm actually going to mount this lens onto a GoPro and see how that would result in. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys found this a quite interesting video. If you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.